Dear children of class 4, now we are going to read the first chapter from your English grammar magic book. The chapter's name is Alphabetical Order. Now come to the book and learn what the book is telling to you. Do you remember when you first learned about the English alphabet? You were probably in nursery or in junior KG when you learned to recite the alphabet in the correct order. Have you wondered how words are placed in a dictionary? Okay, children, how words are arranged in a dictionary? They are arranged in alphabetical order. That means from A to Z, just like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, etc. to Z. We call this alphabetical order. Then it becomes easy to find words and their meaning. A dictionary gives a list of words in alphabetical order and explains what they mean. This makes it easier for you to find their meaning. When the words are arranged in alphabetical order, we find it easy to find the word and their meaning. Even telephone, dictionary, address books, contact on your mom and dad's phone follow alphabetical order. This alphabetical order is very useful for us. It is useful in our telephone directory, books, extra in various purposes. For various purposes, this alphabetical order is useful. What is alphabetical order? Putting things in alphabetical order is as easy as ABC. In fact, you have to know your ABC well in order to put words in the alphabetical order. This is not a very difficult task. Alphabetical order is very easy as we use ABC. To put words in alphabetical order, look at the first letter of the words and then arrange them. For instance, the word catch comes before match because C comes before M. How we order these alphabets? How we put orderly these alphabets? We have to put the first letter. Which letter contains the first word? The first letter A, B, C. We have to find out the first letter. If to put words in a alphabetical order, you have to look at the first letter of the word, then arrange them. When you find the first letter same, then you have to go to the second letter. You have to compare the second letter of the word. If you find the second letter same, then you have to compare the third letters. Thus, we arrange the words.